Welcome back everyone. So how you can see hidden file and folder in your Windows system. So how we can do that? First of all, I'll open a file explorer. Okay, so you can see the file explorer, just open it. Okay, and you can press Window E. Okay, so now we click on the PC. You can see my C drive. Okay, this is the by default drive of operating system. Okay, so just double click on it, and now you can see there are some files and folders. Okay, you can see. Okay, so here we have some hidden file and folder in this drive. Okay, so how we can see them? Okay, so just click on view option. Okay, you can see this view option. Okay, click on it, and now you can see show in the last option, show. Okay, in the show last option you can see the hidden item. Okay, this last. Okay, it show that every file and folder. Okay, so or hide. Okay, so let's see. If you click, you can see some change are here. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, these are hidden folders. I'll make. Okay, 1 2 and 3, these are hidden folder. And also you can go to again views and uncheck the hidden item. Now you can see. Okay, so that's it for today. You can enable here from here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so now you can see your hidden file and folder. Now we can go in the hidden file and folder, just like recovery. It asks me for permission, just like this. Okay, I am in. Okay, so that's right. All right for today. So I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.